Hi, I'm Kate with Solatube on the Scene. Today I am in beautiful Carlsbad, California at the home of award-winning producer Mark Allen. Just recently we transformed his dark mid-century modern home into a bright and airy contemporary space by adding 10 Solatube tubular skylights. Now we are back and replacing his old, dated traditional skylights with Solatube solar-powered Fresh Breeze skylights. Let's take a look.
There were 4 existing skylights in the house that upon inspection we realized were beyond their lifespan. They were cracking, starting to leak. Part of this installation was replacing those skylights with Solatube skylights, which is a fantastic product, and each one of those is remotely controlled and solar powered. So once they were replaced, they just gave us a remote control. Now we can open and close those to our taste just using the remote control, no wiring. The quality of light that was coming through those skylights, you couldn't believe how different it looked. Now all of a sudden the space is transformed with natural light. So not only did we get the great light from the tubular daylighting product, but in the places that had existing skylights, once we replaced those, the quality of the light in those spaces was also incredible.